What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about Valqari. And holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the drone sector, if you know exactly what is going on with Ag Eagle, if you know what's going on with Valqari, this is a tremendous partnership / agreement that is put in place with Quickloadz and Valqari. This is an absolute monster, guys. So if you're interested in Valqari, if you're interested in Ag Eagle, if you're interested in the drone sector, if you're really interested in the future, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. I am beyond pumped about this one. I really am, because we are starting to see everything drone related unravel. It is company after company. But before we start talking about all that, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to take off into this video. Let's go! I honestly am going to start every single video off that is drone related almost the exact same way. You guys know exactly how I feel about drones. You know exactly how much I cover this sector, and you know that the future of drones is on the cusp, on the brink of happening. Guys, this is the future of package delivery. This is the future of a lot of things, because drones have a significant role in our future. They're going to be doing so many things, specifically package delivery, and really they're creating jobs across the board. I mean, there's so many opportunities that are engaged and involved with drones. It's unbelievable. And this right here is just another step in that process of becoming just a complete monster when it comes to delivering packages. Valqari is killing it, guys. They truly are doing some amazing things, and it is a significant piece because they are partnered with Ag Eagle. Obviously, we understand Ag Eagle has a major non-disclosure agreement in place, and so it is rightfully so that Valqari is in the limelight. It is shining bright because they're going out and they're doing some big time things. So this is exciting. I'm going to break this thing down, really talk about what this partnership, obviously with Quickloadz, is, and really kind of break it down into the future on exactly everything that is involved with this. So here we go. Swinging on over here. Athens, Ohio, Valqari LLC, creator of the patent Smart Drone Delivery Station, and Quickloadz, the leader in automated shipping container handling, are thrilled to announce a joint development agreement to provide fast, safe, there's that word again, and simple way to facilitate package delivery drones. Quickloadz computer-controlled Wi-Fi trailers are the only trailers in the world capable of moving loaded shipping containers automatically. It is absolutely incredible, guys. This is something that is so significant. I mean, it truly is eliminating the entire manual labor aspect. You can see that basically what happens is the truck pulls up to whatever the pickup is. It basically drops the flatbed, and it does the entire job itself through a Wi-Fi device. So in this case, a lot of the time you're going to see it conducted through a cell phone. You basically see the flatbed go under the connex. It is able to then pull the connex onto the flatbed. It is absolutely incredible, guys. It is 100% incredible. So continuing on, it says Quickloadz system provides a fast, safe, flexible micro distribution center which can fit into a parking space, allowing Valqari along with their other partners to solve the final mile delivery problem. Guys, we'll take it even further. They're trying to solve the last inch, and we know that. They're trying to literally solidify and solve the last inch. Autonomous delivery is here now and expanding quickly. Valqari with their partners are putting together the leading drone package delivery system, said Sean Jones, CEO of Quickloadz. We are very excited to be working with them. So we're going to recap that again. It says autonomous delivery is here now and expanding quickly. Valqari with their partners. Well, as we start to assess, we really start to think of one immediately in mind, and that is Ag Eagle, who will be manufacturing and assembly obviously the boxes, the receptacles, however you want to look at it for Valqari. Incredible. Valqari's drone delivery station is the only solution that has solved the last inch logistic problems. Again, a very significant, extremely underlined, bold statement right there. They are the only solution that has solved the last inch logistic problems associated with drone deliveries, allowing for an entirely automated and secure drone package delivery. The 7.5 feet high drone delivery station offers a convenient landing station with 6 separate storage units to accommodate multiple drone and traditional deliveries or pickups. The station also maintains a digital chain of custody throughout the entire delivery process to give users peace of mind knowing their packages are secure until retrieved. And we've seen this many times on this channel, and we've seen this talked about and discussed across the board when it comes to drones and really the drone delivery station. It's phenomenal. We're thrilled to be partnering with Quickloadz, which will allow us to expand our cargo delivery support capabilities. Our mission aligns with Quickloadz to ultimately reshape the global logistics industry with safer, again, there's that word again, smarter and faster solutions, said Ryan Wall, CEO and co-founder of Valqari. I think that this is extremely, extremely significant. I really think that this is a very, very impactful partnership / agreement that is in place. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to really kind of dive in and break down what we learned from this Quickloadz deal. So now what we're going to do is really break down and talk about micro fulfillment centers. And the reason is because, yes, drones are going to have a very, very, very significant role when it comes to micro fulfillment centers, but they're also really starting to become a thing. And I think that's a significant piece. And I really want to hit on and emphasize that this is definitely something that is coming and is going to be here in the near future. And we're going to be seeing drones flying out of these things, delivering packages, doing all kinds of things. So let's swing on over here and check out this information. So it says retailers turn to the micro fulfillment center to keep supply chains flowing. It says a micro fulfillment center and automated technology could deliver a faster service for customers while boosting profits for retailers. As the pandemic continues to keep people indoors and away from public places, online shopping instances are increasing exponentially throughout the world. Previously struggling e-commerce segments like grocery deliveries are now enjoying a renaissance, chiefly enabled by new supply chain strategies like the micro-fulfillment center. But what is a micro-fulfillment center? And how has micro-fulfillment technology been gaining pace as a newfound yet effective strategy for filling shipments in deliveries? In Southeast Asia, for instance, which has traditionally relied on imports for many of its everyday item needs, online grocery and rapid store-to-door delivery really took off in the aftermath of the pandemic. And the overnight popularity of these methods indicates the trend is expected to flourish even after the pandemic. Research from Google, Testmec Holdings, and Bain Co. reveals that e-commerce is set to grow from $62 billion in 2020 to over $172 billion by 2025 in Southeast Asia. But the growth of the sector will not easily see competition ramping up, but retailers struggle to turn profits in a crowded marketplace. In addition, aggressive investment in shipping infrastructure by industry heavyweights like Amazon and Walmart will see delivery timelines for online orders shrink rapidly in the intervening years, making it that much harder for smaller retailers and shippers to fulfill orders in a time and at a profit. It says, thankfully, businesses that were forced to reevaluate their online selling strategies during this period were also looking at disruptive new technologies that were shaking up supply chains and fulfillment strategies that are more economical, but still with a higher degree of efficiency. Enter the micro fulfillment center. And so as you guys can see right here, this is kind of what a micro fulfillment center would look like. And I think you can take this a step further a little bit at times because of the situation we're starting to see. It's not going to be that difficult to literally put a facility, a Connex box, out in a shipping container out into a parking lot and be able to work out of, a couple of Connexes, a couple of shipping containers out in a parking lot and really be working out of that in a full capacity. It is going to be incredible. But as you guys can see, a micro fulfillment center can streamline efficiency with automation that can optimize package storage, retrieval, packing, and distribution. It says, and at its core, micro-fulfillment aims to speed up the delivery of goods to consumers by bringing the product closer to the consumer. As the name suggests, micro-fulfillment sites are far smaller than the traditional retail model of sprawling, labor-intensive distribution centers located in just a few remote locations. By adding more automated operations to smaller urban sites and even the backs of physical stores, retailers have the goal of slashing delivery times for online orders, allowing products to reach customers in a matter of hours rather than days. And so a significant piece right there is going to be the entire objective, which is a drone. The whole goal is to be able to deliver in that amount of time, and I think that is a significant piece, because we've seen how drones can really take off from a Valqari receptacle. We've seen how drones are able to really, just conduct that business of package delivery. And so this is something that is really coming to fruition, and it's only making sense with, obviously, the deal that Valqari just signed. A typical micro-fulfillment center consists of two primary components: software management systems that process online orders, and the physical infrastructure, which often sports robots and other automated assets that pick up items from storage aisles and shuttle them to the packing staff. I've often seen drones and things similar to that doing the same thing inside these fulfillment centers. Typically taking up between 3,000 and 10,000 square feet of space, micro-fulfillment centers are usually far smaller than traditional fulfillment centers, which is why they can be situated cities and urban centers themselves rather than the city outskirts, as in case of a traditional fulfillment hub. By placing them nearer to the consumer, the micro-fulfillment center can significantly cut down on last-mile delivery times. There's a very significant piece right there. Last mile. Again, it could even be the last inch. And so then it says, what's more, at a drastically reduced size than its predecessors, the micro-fulfillment center would cost a fraction to start up. An analysis by financial services company Jefferies determined that micro-fulfillment could reduce order-related costs by as much as 75%. If you start to really factor in the fact that drones could be related to this and how much it costs for a drone to deliver a package, you are really reducing the cost of a package delivery. Absolutely incredible. And that's obviously the objective, is to reduce down the cost, to really create a safe aspect. This is incredible. The micro-fulfillment approach aims to take the speed of localized in-store pickups and combine it with efficiency of large automated warehouses. The efficiencies have proven to be beneficial to retail giants as much as smaller sellers, with major outlets like Walmart experimenting with model for the last few years. It also appears that Amazon, the world's largest retailer, e-tailer as they say it right here, will also adapt micro-fulfillment in its first traditional grocery store, including working with Dematic on a 7,200 square foot robotic picking area, which will occupy 21% of the 33,574 foot square store. Other beneficial aspects of micro-fulfillment centers for retailers in Southeast Asia are the options available when it comes to setting them up. A micro-fulfillment center can be set up primarily service customers in a localized area of a single store, or it can be a spoke hub distribution model where one center is able to serve many different stores. Another approach could even be to set up a dark store as a micro-fulfillment center. So guys, I think that this is a very significant piece, and I really wanted to tie it in with exactly what we saw with a partnership with Valqari today. I think that is absolutely incredible, and I think you're going to start to hear a lot more about micro-fulfillment centers, and I think you're really going to start hearing a lot more about, obviously, connexes or shipping containers being placed in locations where obviously you can see things start to develop, and you're going to start to see all kinds of people working in and out of those. It's just going to be a lot more of a convenience. I think that this is a very, very significant piece of information, and really a huge step in the direction of package delivery from a drone. We are 100% aware of the connection that obviously Ag Eagle and Valqari have. And the reason why I'm kind of tying these two together in this is because we understand that Ag Eagle will be manufacturing and assembling the receptacles for Valqari. The partnership is for 2 years. But guys, I think that this goes a lot deeper than what we're obviously being able to see on the surface. I think there really is a lot more that is going on. And, that's why really anytime I talk about Valqari, I obviously talk about Ag Eagle. We have to understand that Ag Eagle did also recently acquire MicaSense, and I think MicaSense is going to have an extremely important role when it comes to package delivery. Being able to use the sensors and things like that from an agriculture standpoint is going to be just massive, but then they're going to take it a step further and really start to incorporate it into a package delivery aspect. And so that will be hand in hand with a Valqari receptacle. And obviously they're going to take it even further and do a Valqari mailbox. And I'm sure it's going to continue to grow and expand. I'm beyond excited. So now what we're going to do is we're going to dive into Ag Eagle's chart, ticker symbol UAVS. So let's swing on over here and see how it did. Obviously, guys, we are coming off of an absolute tremendous pullback from Ag Eagle. Whether it was truly related to a hit piece that was put out, or if this thing was just truly ready to pull back this much. Obviously, the NASDAQ has been struggling, which is the tech sector. So we had a tremendous pullback in this. So let's dive into this and see. So today it opened at $6.72. Its high was $7.75. Its low was $6.39. Its volume was 5.576 million. Current market cap is $449.8 million. 52-week high is $17.68, 52-week low is 19 cents, and its average volume is 10.22 million. So today it did close at 7.65. It was up 22.99%. I do think, obviously, the recovery of Ag Eagle is definitely due, but I think Valqari's information and really that massive step in that partnership that they created really had a role in this as well. Obviously, it continued up in the after hours. It closed at $8.19 to wrap out the day completely. That was up an additional 7.06%. So guys, we're looking at a 1-month chart, and the reason is because, guys, we truly were at some pretty good numbers. We were projected to really kind of continue in the upward direction. A lot of people had a price target of anywhere from $20 to $25. That was supposed to happen here within a month, as of where we're at right now. But then the NASDAQ had that major pullback. There's just been a lot of things that have been going on. Like I stated earlier, the hit piece that came out. So this thing really went south, and it returned back to numbers I honestly did not think we would ever see again. So we are starting to obviously return and start to see us head back in the upward direction. So today was definitely a nice green day, 22.99% return. And so that's something that I want to see. I would like to at least see us get back to some decent numbers, really where I feel we deserve to be anyways. As this stock continues to grow, continues to expand, the company continues to grow, continues to expand. We're going to be coming up on quarterly earnings here before long. So I think there's just a lot of things that are going in to obviously Ag Eagle and obviously the partnership with Valqari. There's a lot of things that I still think have yet to really, like I said, come to the limelight. I think there's a lot of things that are being worked on behind the scenes. So I'm truly excited to see what happens, guys. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on Valqari, on Ag Eagle. It's just incredible information, guys. And I look forward to the continuous growth of both companies and everything that will follow with the drone sector. It's just incredible. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.